Today, we are going to make a beautiful sunny park scene using all the different brushes in MS Paint. We'll draw the sky, sun, grass, trees, and flowers, and I'll show you which brush to use for each part. By the end, you'll have a colorful scenery all by yourself. Are you ready? Let's start with a fun song.
Brushy, brushy, brush along, la, la, la. Color, color, sing a song, ha, ha, ha. Sky so bright, grass below, paint a scene that makes us glow. Swirl, swirl, swirl the sun, hey, hey. Hop, hop, hop and play today, yay, yay. Flowers, trees, clouds above, let's make a park full of love.
First, let's make the sky. I'll pick the crayon brush, big size, and choose a sky blue color. Now, drag it across the top part of our canvas. Leave a few white spaces. Can you guess what these are? Yes, clouds. Perfect. Next, we need a shiny sun. I'll choose the oil brush, small size, and pick a light yellow color. Click here in the sky to make a bright yellow sun. Wow, it's glowing! Now, let's make some grass. I'll zoom down and select the watercolor brush, normal size, and a green color. Stroke across the bottom to make the green grass. Look how soft and smooth it is! Tree leaves. To make the tree leafy, I'll pick the calligraphy pen, medium size and green color. Draw round, circular strokes above the trunk. See? Now it looks like a leafy tree. Tree trunk. I'll use the marker brush, small size, and brown color. Draw some vertical strokes to make the tree trunk. Nice and simple. Adding depth to leaves. To make the tree even prettier, let's take the airbrush, big size, and a lighter green color. Gently spray around the leaves. Wow, it looks so fluffy! Flowers! Zoom to the grass, friends. I'll take the calligraphy pen, small size, and choose some bright colors like red, pink, and yellow. Tap a few strokes for flowers. Look at those colors popping! We've used most of our brushes now. To add more fun, I'll select the normal brush. Let's draw little branches for trees or stems for flowers. See how easy that is? Yay! Our sunny park scenery is ready. Look at all the brushes we used. Crayon, oil, watercolor, marker, calligraphy, airbrush, and normal brush. You did a fantastic job painting with me today. Keep practicing and make your own magical park.
Hop, hop and play today, yay, yay.